In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through HubSpot's platform to create a new email. Whether you're just starting out or need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps to ensure you're confident in using these features. First, we're going to access the user guide on HubSpot. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the HubSpot user guide page. If you've bookmarked this page, it'll be a breeze to find. Otherwise, you can type the URL or navigate through your hub. The user guide is your go-to resource for all things HubSpot related, providing detailed instructions and support for users of all levels. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's an incredibly helpful tool, and knowing where to find certain topics or guides can save you a lot of time in the future. Next, let's dive into the marketing section. You'll find this option prominently displayed on the HubSpot dashboard. Clicking on marketing unlocks numerous tools tailored to enhance your marketing strategies. This section includes features for social media, ads, and of course, email. Spend some time exploring this area if you're unfamiliar with it. It's packed with functionalities designed to elevate your marketing efforts. Now, for today's task, we need to focus on emails. Click on the Email tab within the Marketing section. This will direct you to the Email dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns, past, present, and future. Here, you can see existing campaigns, analyze their performance, and, most importantly for us today, create new ones. The email section is crucial for drafting and executing effective email marketing strategies, allowing for detailed tracking and analytics. Once you're in the email section, locate and click on New Email. This is where the magic happens, creating your email campaigns tailored to your audience. Clicking New Email will open up the email editor, an intuitive space designed for building emails that effectively communicate your message. The user interface here is streamlined to help you focus on crafting your content without unnecessary distractions. Now onto the final step of our guide. Click on Email Contents. This is where you draft your email's body, add images, and finalize those captivating subject lines. The Email Content Editor provides a robust set of tools to tailor your email's appearance and message while ensuring it aligns with your brand's voice and vision. By following these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to mastering email marketing with HubSpot. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore and modify until you're completely comfortable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to create compelling emails with ease. Happy emailing!